Assembly instructions for the H2BOOSTR mini hydrogen water system. The kit includes a sturdy metal stand, a pure hydrogen cartridge, a blue coiled hose, a special white cap with a valve, a metal regulator with a pressure gauge, and a black cylindrical injector. First, insert one end of the blue coiled hose into the small opening of the regulator and press firmly until it fits snugly. Then insert the other end of the hose into the black cylindrical injector's opening. Attach the hydrogen metal cartridge to the regulator by screwing it carefully until it's securely fixed. Insert the cartridge into its socket, ensuring the pressure gauge is oriented towards the stand's red side. Lastly, secure the injector in its designated position on the stand. Your H2BOOSTR mini system is now ready for use, and you can enjoy 100% pure hydrogen water anywhere, anytime.